The most mentally stable and capable characters to be paired together. Come
Pomni, take this!
Here it is. All right, Pomni, you just stay like...
I'm starting to think... All right, team. I may not know what's going on, or who is going on, or when is going on, or why is going on, but I do know where is going on. And it's out on that field, so let's go break some tailbones, team.
So went before we can rest easy.
I'm right behind you, aren't I? Now, Pomni, don't feel like I need to go before you just because I have the right of way in a four-way uncontrolled intersection.
Break time! Gotta brainstorm some new ideas!
He shredded me.